47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So what are we looking at here? Bitcoin, well, we'll see if it was a fake out or something more last night. We broke down to 44,000, roughly 44,000, what was that? 200, but we're looking at, if we break down farther, we would come down to the daily time frame likely. But we did have a hold here, which we had this wick that came up back down, and we said this could be a line of support that could stop us, and so far it did. The daily time frames, the RSI and stochastic obviously are way high, but in the 4 hourly we relieved a lot of pressure. We have a reversal candle on the 4 hourly, which could turn into a bullish cross on the 4 hourly. So if this pulls up strong, you know, we could be creating some kind of bullish divergence here and shift this back in our favor. And that was nothing more than a fake out. We need some volume here, and it looks like on this 4 hourly we actually are picking up a little bit of volume, so that won't be too bad. If it fills out like this, it'll be more than that 14,000 or close to it. So we're going to see if we can get some volume. If we get a nice volume spike here, it's set up to where we could push up pretty rapidly. If we break down, 44,227 probably won't hold this time, and we would end up coming down. My next target would be around here in this area. We'd probably hit this area, 42.8, if we were to break down. A lot of people are expecting it. A lot of people cancel their trades. A lot of people sold the bottom last night, and I told them if you're going to sell out, at least wait for it to come back up. So I know there were people in Matic, and they're like, it's at 157. I'm like, well, you'll get a chance to sell at 166 once it rises back up, and then it's your decision if you want to sell there or if you think it's going to push through. So now it's at that point for anybody in Matic. That's right at our entry point. So I know a lot of people are happy that it at least got back there. But this is the critical part. Now were they just throwing us off last night and giving us a big fake out? Or is this the retest of a drop point? Which isn't even the top drop point, but is this the retest of an area where we fell off? Now for Matic, the key is we're pulling back up into a very important spot. We've pulled back up, and I'll show you, into our rising channel. And this is critical, because if we can hold the rising channel, it gives us a little bit of hope. We came down to the support at 156.3, which is actually a little higher now, but the daily time frame moving average is moving up. And you can see this. We pop back up, and we're trying to get over the 4 hourly. It's at 165.9. That is the most important number in the 4 hourly, because we do have room to run with the RSI and the stochastic if we can get on top of this. If not, we're going to get rejected. And you'll see us coming back down here, and then it might just break through. So what we really want is this to break up. We want this to do its job and get back top side of this. So that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. I just want to show you a little Matic in case you guys were in it. XRP. XRP is XRP. I mean, we're not getting great volume. The sell volume, though, is atrocious, so that's a good sign. But we need to push up and start getting on top of these. Like, we need to get on top of 82. And the 4 hourly especially, we need to get way back up here. We had a bear. Oh. We are fucked. Okay, well, that might be an early sell signal right there. The 20 just crossed the 50. Unless this is a fake out in the 4 hourly. Interesting. So I mean, that's a technical sell signal for XRP. Four hourly stochastic is and RSI are in a good spot. I mean, as long as we're still on this up channel, but it's going to be a very volatile part right here, guys. It's not going to be fun. But XRP did just create a bearish cross, or starting a bearish cross, though. The 20 crossed the 50, so this could get ugly. This really could get ugly. We might just have to double bottom, but this could get ugly. Because the daily time frame needs to clear out. So if it's clearing out, it would get ugly, but that could be a fake out. But just pay attention this morning because the 20 did cross the 50 on XRP in the 4 hourly. It has not done it on XLM yet, but on XRP, it's either a fake out or this is something leading to the market because the 20 did cross the 50, and that is a very bearish signal. Could be a fake out. Could be a fake out from yesterday's movement. So XRP Future Millionaire, make sure to hit that like button and consider joining Tom's Army, $9.99 a month. Get the exclusive Telegram.